Alright, speed bump. Boom, boom. Uh-oh. Waymo, we got construction. We ain't going straight. Come on now. Alright, what's it gonna do here? Oh no, Waymo, he's telling us to go around.
Is it gonna know what to do?
I don't know. I bet it does.
Oh. How do we make it stop? I'm nervous.
Alright, now we might be in an issue here, Waymo. Alright, so it automatically backs up. It gets the hint.
It's still trying to go this way.
I know.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
It's okay. There's nothing we can do. We're not in control. Oh, this guy.
Okay.
Hey, sorry about that. We're not in control.
We're gonna block the street off. So.
All right. Yeah, Waymo, they're blocking the street off. Better get that right.